Hello everyone. My name is Prasanna. I am from the Semiconductor sales background. So I have attended the BrixEn AA for sales program today. So it was a quite good program where we were able to get the exposure of what AA can play a role in our day-to-day activities, especially the business part. So my initial assumption is like it can give some level of precise contents compared to the normal Google search and other things. The session is engaging and it was quite overwhelming to know how much level of personalization we can do. Probably to prepare a report we might spend a day or something. Now I believe probably we can do it within half an hour. So I think play a big role in helping us to simplify our task, and so that we can spend more time productively in engaging the day-to-day activities. Thank you.